Hey you guys, it's your boy iBornstellar coming at you with a new video. Now this one's gonna be a real quick Nikke video. As you may or may not know, this new, shall we say, girl failure, I think they're calling her, label just came out. And I do have, let me see, so I have, I want to say like 70-ish rolls. So we'll see if we can get her. I mean, what's her name? Snow White Alternative that came out was it last month or a few weeks ago? Man, she took all of my rolls, so I'm kind of low, but we'll try. You know, label's kind of crazy looking and very pretty-ish, but mostly sexy. But sometimes you just gotta go for it and see what you get. And I'm gonna get some mileage out of it anyway. So if I don't get her, I'll get the next one, I guess. But here we go. Wish me luck. If you haven't rolled, good luck to you. And let's get rolling. Let's see who we get. So this is Label. She came out, I think, today in Nikke. Alright, let's see how we get. If we could get her within like 2 or 3 rolls, that would be great, but we'll see. Alright, second multi. Gold. Yeah, purple. Alright, number 2. There's number 3. Come on, Nikke. Don't do me like Genshin. My luck has been rather poor lately. That's a lot of purple, but not so much. Alright, this is roll multi number 4. And I think I'll be rolling on Wuwa after this. And see if I can get Morny, I think her name is. It just came out. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so here's roll number 5. Halfway there, I guess. We're gonna do 7. Let's see. Oh man. I don't think we're gonna get her. But come on, Goddess of Victory. Give us some luck. Not such luck. Alright, last one. Here we go. Let's see what it is. And if not, I'll just keep saving. Dang. Alright, well, that's just how it goes sometimes. I've gotten way too used to just getting the character like within 1 or 2 rolls before, so I guess it was bound to happen. Although, wait a minute. I guess I can do one more. I still have enough for one more. Let's see. I guess this is number 8. Alright, last one. Here we go. Yes! Is it her? Please don't let it be a spook. Oh, it's the last one. Oh my god, right, well. Get your popcorn out. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. Label. Here we go. I'm not sure what. Is she Bacillus? Or is she something else? Is it her? It's not her. Well, it's new at least. I don't have Trina, but man, that's a spook and a half. Oh well. Unlucky. That's just the way it goes, I guess. 100 mileage, so I need another 100 rolls to get the next character that I want. So, oh well. I guess I'll go back to saving up, and I think I have a lot of campaign that I haven't completed. So, but anyway, you guys, it's just gonna be a quick video of me rolling. I did, I guess, 8 multis. And if you got Label, let me know, if she's any good. I actually haven't seen how strong she is, or if she's, weak or whatever. But, sometimes when you like a character, you gotta roll for them, right? And try your luck and see if you get lucky. But not such luck today, unfortunately. But if you're still rolling for her, good luck for her, or good luck in your rolls. And leave any comments. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, of course. And be sure to look forward to more videos. And I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.